Yo, what's good? What's good? If you don't know, I'm Skxppy, and welcome back to another video. Word. Alright, so if you're wondering why the hoodie is like this because I got on a bonnet. I'm a little self-conscious, but word. I wear these now. Stop playing with me. I wear these now. But today, I'm gonna teach you how to edit your beat tags. Yes. Last time I made a video on how to make beat tags, and now I'm gonna show you how to get the best out of it. So let's get to it.
Take forever.
Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is record a little tag or whatever. I'm gonna try to think of something that relates to me. Word. After I record it, then I'm gonna show you how to edit it. Pretty simple. So let's get to it. So I literally just recorded this video. I was bugging outside, boy. But nah, I literally just recorded this video like 20 minutes ago, and I forgot to press this button up here that allows you guys to hear the sound as well. So my bad. So now I gotta record it again. But basically where I left off last time was after I recorded the video. I'm going to start the sample here. Basically all I have is this. Oh, not like that. But what I have is this. SS Productions. Don't judge me. Word. So I'm gonna also add another element into this. I downloaded for the other one. It's just thunder, and then it's gonna be a dog bark. Word. Oh, what happened, bitch? Yo. This is Intro Skxppy, letting you know if you like, leave a like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow. Word. And don't freeload. It's not that kind of place. Subscribe. First things first is always the first thing you want to do is change the pitch. The reason why I change the pitch first is because if you know what, like, if you know where you want the vocals to be at, then it's easier to edit it later. So I'm gonna go here.
SS Productions.
Oh no, that sounds weird.
SS Productions.
Heard you, boom. So we gonna stop there. I think I put it to like 240 cents. We're gonna go to resample.
SS Production.
Okay, now we're gonna go back to auto.
SS.
Alright, boom. And then I'm gonna stretch it out. So the reason why I stretch out my things sometimes is because I would like it to where it is on a beat to be on beat. Right? So we're gonna slice that up, slide this over a little bit. And then boom.
SS Productions.
Now, it don't gotta be perfectly on beat. You see how like over here it's a little far back. As long as like the punchy words click on the beat, like SS Production, you feel me? Word. Then what I like after that is some thunder, which is going to be automated. Where you at?
Skxppy.
Alright, boom. It's gonna be automated there. Lift that up a little bit. Cool. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out here. Have it like that. And then now we're gonna listen to it with this in it.
SS Productions.
Alright, so I kinda like it when the thunder starts when the words are about to stop. So let's do that. Just a little bit more. And
SS Productions.
And then boom, now we got the dog
SS
barks.
Productions.
So what I'm gonna do with the dog barks is I'm gonna make them a little deeper. And I'm also gonna stretch them so that it sounds a little bit more realistic. Because those don't sound like realistic dog barks at all. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start numbering these things. So the main one is gonna be on number 1. This is gonna be on number 2. And the barks, well, the thunder's gonna be on number 2, and then the barks are gonna be on number 3. So why I'm doing this is pretty simple, just to have more creativity instead of putting them all in the same thing.
SS Productions.
Number 1, I could throw EQ on there. Word. So now with the vocals, I'm gonna throw on the EQ. I'm gonna throw on reverb, and then actually no, I want the delay first. I do yeah I do. I want the delay first and then reverb. There's a reason for that, just hold on. So what you're gonna do right here is first you're gonna set yourself up for success, and you're gonna take out a lot of the highs, and then you're gonna make this slope a little bit slopier or less steep, however you want to say it.
SS Production.
Word, cool. And then we add reverb on. Oh my god. Alright, cool. And then I want to mute the reverb and come straight to delay. Now when I go to delay, it starts on this dot. I'm gonna bring it up 1 dot, 2 dot, boom, 2 dots. Bring down the wetness, bring down the modulation sample rate, and then also bring down the cutoff a little bit, and then ping pong it, and then pan it.
SS Production.
Cool. And then last but not least, reverb. Reverb is honestly just how you want to do reverb. I don't give a fuck how you do your reverb. Word, please make sure to SpongeBob curse word that out. And then I add on some reverb. I add a little bit of delay. I might keep that in depending on whether it sound good. Then I add some wetness to it, separation, and then
SS Production. SS Production.
And then now all I need to do is take this down, and I need to really make this sound like a dog. So this is how it sounds without a beat on it. It's just SS Productions. SS Productions. Cool. And that sounds type valid. Now let's hear it with a beat. I'm gonna consolidate it, so that's what is it? Option Command C, just to turn it into its own waveform. If you ever have like a bunch of little things and you just wanna turn them into one, that's how you do it. Wait, cool. So this tag actually like in the beginning of the beat, so I'm gonna leave it there, and then let's see it. Oh, why you so low, nigga? Fuck.
SS Production.
Skxppy.
Alright, cool. The first time I made it, I liked the dog sounds a lot more, but I hate these dog sounds. They're just so generic and they don't sound like dogs. But word, that's how you make a producer tag for your beats. So when you making a beat, niggas know that it's your beat. You feel me? Alright. I know I'm ODing on the light. Hold on. Word, there we go. So if you like, please leave a like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow. Word, I can only grow if you let me know how. Also, don't freeload, subscribe. Honestly, 99.8% of my viewers, I'm gonna actually put it right here, are not subscribed. That can't happen no more. I hope that you learn how to make a beat tag or how to edit your beat tags so it could be just a little bit more unique and elaborate. But yo, like, this is your staple. This is your moment to say this is who I am and this is how I want people to remember me. That's what a beat tag is. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Go make some beats. Peace. I turn around and die. I got this one. Yeah. I hope you don't hate me after I go. You were the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go, 'cause you're the one who changed me. I hope